Once we've created our spot drilling operation, the next thing we need to do is create a drilling operation for the tap drill for our quarter 20 fasteners. Now, a tap drill for a quarter 20 hole is a number 7 drill, which is about 0.201 inches in diameter. That's in our tool list, and we're going to take that. We're going to use what's called a peck drilling operation. Now, with a peck drilling operation, the tool actually goes into the workpiece just a little bit, and then it pulls back up out of the hole so that it will clear any chips that have gotten clogged in the flutes of the drill. And then it goes back in the workpiece, pulls up out of the hole to clear the chips, back in the workpiece, pulls up out of the hole to clear the chips. And we want to do a peck drilling operation when we have a hole that's a relatively small diameter, especially in a soft material like aluminum or brass, where the chips tend to clog up the flutes on the drill. If we forget to do our peck drilling operation, I actually have an example here of what could happen to the drill. So you can see right here that the aluminum has gotten clogged in the flutes of the drill. It's all wrapped around it like a bird's nest. And actually, if you look really close, you'll notice that the tip of the drill is actually broken off. So we're going to do our peck drilling operation to avoid that happening. It's really simple here. We've got the same P-top feature selected that we just created our spot drilling operation. We've got that selected. We go again to our solid mill traditional drilling toolbar. On general, now we're going to use a different drill. We're not going to use our chamfer mill, but rather we're going to use the number 7 drill here. Number 7 drill again is the tap drill for our quarter 20 hole. I want you to look up the feeds and speeds either on the feed chart that we gave you, or you can, if you Google feeds and speeds number 7 drill, it will bring you to a page in the top 3 or 4 hits there in Google. It'll help you figure out what the right service speed is and what the right per tooth feed rate is. So look those up. In the drill section here, we're going to tell it to peck, which will tell it to go in the hole, come out of the hole, go in the hole, come out of the hole. It automatically fills in the first peck increment and the peck increments. Now our total depth is of course not going to be the 0.5 inches that we had in our last, 0.05 inches that we had in our last thing. If we right click and say system default, it will go ahead and it will measure the total depth of the hole as we defined it there. And so starting depth is 0, that's good to go. And we are ready to go here. Click OK. It's going to create that drilling operation. If I select just that drilling operation and go back to my simulation toolbar, now in the last operation we saved the simulation state. So here we're going to run from the saved simulation. Just click run. The tool comes in, it does that pecking operation. We can actually look at that again. We'll slow it down so you can see the drill going in and out in the pecking operation. So go ahead and pause to get that started. We can step into it. The drill goes in and out of the hole, in and out of the hole. And so now it's done everything that we've asked it to do.